Apologize a trillion times.
Yeah.
My new bike. Start off the bike check. You've got these sick core bars and core stem, 800mm wide. Just the coolest bars I've ever ridden, really. Shout out to Blake for hooking me up with them. Got an FSA headset, the Orbit. That's pretty good. Don't know much about that except from it spins round. Got these sexy 34 Kashima Coat Fox Forks at 140mm travel. Just the coolest forks I've ever ridden. Yeah, that's about it really. Super nice. We've got this Mavic Crossride front wheel, 29" with an Shimano XT Ice Cool 203mm front disc with some Shimano SLX calipers. So this front wheel is pretty rad, as well as having this Continental Mountain King at 2.4, which is the grippiest thing I've ever ridden. So, and that's the same on the rear, same setup except from I've got a 180mm rotor on the rear. Now on to the frame. The frame comes across as a little bit weird, but I super like it. I was a bit dubious when I first got it, but I've been riding it for the last couple of weeks now. Absolutely rad, love it to pieces. Got a little Brand X seat post clamp, whatever you want to call it. It's alright, does its job. Ragley seat post, and I got at 30.9, and I've got a WTB Volt saddle, the slimmer version, because they're more comfier. And then Shimano Z cranks with a Shimano XT bottom bracket, a Shimano XT clip pedals. They're super nice, super like good on your feet, if you know what I mean. It's quite a wide platform. Then obviously on the rear I've got the same setup as the front. Ram 9-speed cassette, 9-speed. I don't know why I went 9-speed. It was just better, I feel anyway. A SRAM X7 rear mech on a 1x system with a 32 FSA chainring, and then some nice little NC 47 chainring bolts, and then obviously my little special bottle holder that I never use. But if you've got the bolts, you better use it, eh? And that is my bike check.